Hey friends, new products of Unique are now available. We offer a specific catalog for customers needing exterior film. You can apply it to exterior doors, windows, blinds, sunrooms, and other similar applications. Our products are aging-resistant, chemical-resistant, weatherproof, and UV-resistant. Come get your free sample now. Hi friends, welcome to the Unique Decorative Film channel. Let's explore our amazing decorative film together. PVC film, fireproofing, durable, waterproof for home decor. PET film, high transparent, scratch resistant. PP film, eco-friendly, flexible for decoration. Hot stamping foil, customer patterns for unique decor. High quality decorative film, contact us now. Unique new launch EB Series PVC decorative film. Same color has two finishes, deep embossed and shallow embossed. We have professional designers, so our designs are always cutting edge. Very suitable for wall panels, cabinet panels, and door panels. For more details, please feel free to contact us anytime.
Do you want to know what kind of PVC film is currently popular in the market? Let me show you the new EB series decorative film. Metallic and wooden designs can achieve matching deep and shallow embossing, compatible with the entire process of flat lamination, vacuum press, and wiping, suitable for high-end customized furniture, wall panels, and door panels. Contact me to get the latest EB series catalog. I'm Sanas from Qingdao Unique. Unique Film not only specializes in interior film, but also focus on exterior films. We currently have two types of interior PVC film, semi-outdoor and full outdoor. Semi-outdoor PVC film survives life 5 years, anti-yellowing, anti-fading ink with 0.16 mm thickness. It's generally used for door and window profile. Full outdoor film, PVDF surface film with 0.80 mm thickness. Survives life 10 to 15 years. Multiple series can be chosen. Wood grain, solid color, and stone pattern can all be used for outdoor series decoration. Please contact me for free samples.
Are you troubled by finding the newest PVC film? Don't miss Unique EB series. Ultra matte texture for extreme visual purity, long-term stability and yellowing resistance, deep and light embossing in match size. Unique, your best film supplier. Give more choices for your life. Many customers are troubled by color differences issues. So how do we maintain color consistency? Each design has its own dedicated secret. We keep samples for every production run to avoid color discrepancies. Meanwhile, we cut a 1 meter film from each row to compare with the standard sample, ensuring color consistency. Unique, your most trusted supplier.
EV series, powered by our low-type nitrogen photon covering technology. Tree performance, ultra matte, ultra soft, ultra hard. Scratch resistance, more than 3 times stronger than traditional coatings. Stain resistant, even resistant to thinner, easy to clean. Yellow embossing, we have both options for your design needs. Limited stock, ready to ship. Contact us. How do PVC powder and stone powder turn into beautiful panels? The secret is our PVC decorative film. It can be applied online, no glue needed. Easily add value to your SPC panels. Both stone and metallic PVC films are perfectly compatible with SPC wall panels. Contact us for free samples to try your panels.